students, hello students, how are you? How are you? How are you this morning? How are you this morning? How are you? I don't remember what I said the other day. Hello. I hope you have enjoyed the videos I have prepared for you already. And we've started it on our countdown chain. I'm ready for the new chain today for Monday. So if you could get your countdown chain and scissors, of course. I have to get those. And something to write with, a dark marker, and something to lean on when you're doing that writing. I remember to bring a whiteboard with a clip, so hopefully it'll be easier for me to write on that. So if you check that you have all those things, I need to get scissors. Being prepared. I thought it was in my supply bin or toolbox I have over there. And actually, it's connected to some of the messaging that will come up in the next few days. On Friday last week, the kindergarten teachers met. We've had 2 days of learning, last week Thursday and last week Friday, where we go to classes and we learn things like new technology to use with the computer for when school officially starts. And kindergarten teachers had time last Friday to draft out, that means have a general but not a specific idea about our learning schedule. And one of the things is to ask that people, when they arrive to school, it would be true in the building and it will be true in your home. With the table shook, didn't it? I saw the camera just move. Sorry. That you have the things you need. And the teachers, of course, will help you do that. So if you have your things right now, your chain, scissors, dark marker, and then something to lean on. And so let's take a look at the chain we have so far. Let's do some counting down on the number of links we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct? And the other day we cut off one, that was number 9. And we cut off one, that was number 10. Okay, so I'm going to cut off this one and then do some printing. I'll teach you the numeral. Numeral is the written form, if we're going to be exact in our learning. This is a numeral. This is number. Number is the amount. Numeral is the written form of that amount. Lots of people say number back and forth, and they mean this, and they mean this. I like my students to hear and understand the difference. Even sometimes I slip, but I'd like you to know from the beginning that's a numeral because it's written. That's a number because that is the amount. Okay, so we just counted 8. I'm going to hold up this one. That was where we started the other day. I'm going to hold this one up. Count down 8 days until you're officially in our classroom, kind of in the virtual world. So I'm getting ready, and I'm going to sneeze. 1, 2, excuse me. I guess the number 8 makes me sneeze. Where did that come from? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I have number 8. I'm moving the link chain over to the side. And to just make it easier when I'm printing, rather than trying to hold things together, I'm just going to clip this to a whiteboard here so it's easy for me to write with this hand. Now if we go backwards a little bit and remember what we wrote the other day, straight line down and round with the green, that's the way to make a 10. 10. Okay, that was the first numeral poem. And then this one, a loop and a line, that makes 9. 9, 9. Okay, and I don't know if you did 9 nines, or just did 1. I think that's okay. I'm going to write my 8 right in the middle of this paper. And the numeral poem that I teach to help print or write the numeral as best we can, and as accurately as we can, and as correctly as we can, sounds like this. Make an S, but do not wait. Go back up and close the gate. Okay? Make an S, but do not wait. Go back up and close the gate. And this is what it looks like when we do it. Make an S, but do not wait. That means keep going. Don't stop at that point. But do not wait. Go back up and close the gate. And then you see how you make your 8? You know, sometimes in preschool, they might teach 2 circles. I understand that. That's great when you're 3 and 4 and you're just starting to write. But people in kindergarten learn this way. I'll do it again so you can see me and hear me. Make an S, but do not wait. Go back up and close the gate. And so there you have the numeral 8. As I mentioned the other day, you can leave that. You can make 8 eights, which would just make for an interesting souvenir. And of course, you don't have to use this color anymore. If you want to make rainbow 8, it could be a red 8, an orange 8, a yellow 8, and continue the rainbow, or favorite colors you like, or some other color pattern that you might want. Number 8, now we're set up. Okay, and before we go, I decided, I didn't do this ever before, not at all last year. If you were remembering, or go back and check, my other videos have a different kind of art in the corner. Art in the corner. Has a different kind of art in the corner. It was one of my quilts that I use to think about so many things. It helps me remember animals. It helps me remember people changing the environment. Lots of other things. But I decided, when I'm teaching from home, I'm going to change the art in the corner. As you know, I like stuff. I like collecting stuff. And framed pieces of art, photography, painting, quilts, prints are things that we have in our home. And they're in different places in the home. And we change them around, so they are in different places. Sometimes we take everything off the walls, so the walls are just plain for days or weeks or months, and then we put them back up and move them around. And so I thought, one more thing to be watching for is what's over that shoulder. That side I'm keeping the same because that needle point, which was something I won in a raffle, was made by lots of friends of mine in a different school. And it's all different birdhouses. I'll show you a close-up of that next time. Over on this side, I have a poster that is an old type of poster used in elementary schools about the time when I was growing up in the 1990s. But the message, and I'll bring the camera over, is it says, loyal friends are good friends. Now I'm going to bring the camera over so you can see it a little bit closer. There's a little bit of glass reflection I can see. Loyal friends are good friends. And if you look carefully, there's a story in this image. Look at the details. Notice what the boys are doing. Notice what's on the ground and grass. Move this over a little bit to see if I can see some of the, yeah, there's a lot of reflection from the sun. I'll have to do these videos a little bit later. I'll move it at an angle here so you can still see. I'll give a hint. Look in the corners to help understand the message that is shown to support the word message. Loyal friends are good friends. I'll give you a chance to think about it, look at it if you want to, and then next time I'll explain a little bit about the message in the print. Okay, friends, see you soon. Bye now.